Do you tend to immediately and automatically react to situations without even thinking? With anger or withdrawal or by pleasing people? Do you have difficulty maintaining relationships? Do you bark without thinking at your spouse, children, and others? Do you often feel hurt? Then it's highly likely that you suffer from a form of PTSD called PCSD, post-childhood stress disorder, which is likely the most common and most destructive problem in the world. And nobody's heard of it. I'm Greg Bear. After writing 20 books, speaking at hundreds of seminars, and counseling thousands, I can tell you with certainty that the principles of real love will utterly transform the way you live. This is no slight improvement I'm talking about, but learning how to make conscious, productive choices instead of reacting to every perceived threat, which countless thousands of people have learned to do in real life as they've learned real love. I'm not exaggerating. How do we do this? First, we recognize that what everyone in the world wants and needs more than anything else is to feel loved. But almost nobody knows what the real thing is, what real love is, what it even looks like. We need real love, but can't find it. That is painful, and it's why we automatically respond to our pain in so many situations. Our unproductive behaviors are a response to the pain of not feeling loved. But now I'll be teaching you how to find and recognize real love, and then nobody needs to respond to pain anymore. Love makes all the difference. So let's get started. Click here and download a free introduction on this subject. Then watch the free video lessons on this website. Replace your anger with peace and confidence. You can do this. Start now.